So good morning once again. I'm Musa here. Still back on our aircraft design. So these are lesson 2. So we're going to be looking at Dash 8, Q400. Almost like what we did yesterday where we're looking at the fuselage length, width and fin. Remember, these are proportions. This is aircraft design. Every single piece of an aircraft is proportional to another piece, because there are two key things in aircraft design you want to fulfill. That is stability, controllability. There must be limits. We can't have too much one or the other. There are going to be consequences. So Dash 8, you're going to realize now it has 1 to 10. Now, why are we having 1 to 10? It just means the aircraft is pretty thin and pretty long. So we have the ratio of the length is really, really large. And the reason for this is whenever the high wing and the engines are fitted above, it has a very strong, let me say, nose down pitch. So we're really trying to counter the nose down by kind of increasing our length, then lengthwise effect. Okay, right. So let's get started. So the first thing, remember, you got two parallel. You can see your two parallel lines. So once you have your two parallel lines, now you can go ahead and get 10 units. So I'm going to cut here 10 units. I can just use my finger. I can use this. You can see that. And then proportion 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That is the end. And I'll leave that as an allowance, and that is the end. So I mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, as you can see there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we need to find proportions. Where are the wings? Where's the vertical fin? And where's the horizontal stabilizer? So I need to look at where is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, and 6 is there. So the wing, the engine is somewhere there. This is the end of the aircraft. So a slight dip there. And then 70. When we get to number 7, 8, fuselage starts moving up. Are you with me, guys? Fuselage moves up, and divide this into 1, so 30, 30, 3 portions. So 30, 30, 3 portions there, so that I look at my fuselage. My fuselage nose is somewhere there, like that. Okay, so you can see the aircraft is beginning to shape up, and we want a tail strike. So that's my tilt. And then my engine is 3 times the width, 1. So 1, 2, 3. That is my engine there. This basically 3. You can see there 3 and halfway. Okay, and then here 1.5. So 1 is there, half is there. And then I launch. I'm going to launch this vertical fin here. I need to have a launch angle so that a bit straight, like that, and down. So I'm going to pick a point there. I think that's good enough. And then launch it at 70. So 70 is there. Get it up. And then this guy is here. I need to look at that proportion. Is there, so probably somewhere here. Yeah, that looks okay. So from here I'm going to launch 40. Do I launch at 45, or let me say 50? Let me launch. No, I can launch at 60, 55. So let me see if I launch this at 55 degrees. Yeah. I slightly increase it right there, and this can sit terminating there. You can see there it's coming up pretty nice. And this, we're trying to increase the dorsal, so I'm trying to increase the stability of the aircraft in terms of direction. Also, we're trying to increase the stall angle of the vertical fin. So we're trying to make a ratio of the root and the tip there versus the span, kind of like a wing. And then this launch, I'll bring it somewhere here. And it comes all the way, so it's a very unique, it's a very simple design, very unique, very useful. And that probably goes there, kind of about the dash 8 terminates like that, go huge props, like that. Right, so it's coming up pretty nice. Right, put there like that, put there like that, launch forward, then give it a nice camber must then you launch again, launch it there. And here the nose, I launch there. There, you can see how it's like that, like that. It is one of those unique, aircraft, I would say. And my wing is actually somewhere there, so that I'll make 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we come back, we check, remove the lines. Okay, remove this line here. Remove the lines. Remove that. Remove this one. This one will also go. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the Dash 8 Q400. Then I can slightly so these are rough. Obviously, when we do the final touches and finish up, you can actually see how it's going to move along. And definitely here, I have my horizontal stabilizer. So, guys, tell me what you think. Dash 8 Q400. Thank you.